In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Helium 10 for product hunting. So the first thing you want to do, you want to sign in to your Helium 10 account, and then you want to hover over products up top, and for this we're going to be using a black box, which you can launch over here by clicking Discover Product Opportunities, and then the black box button over here on the top right. After you're in here, the black box basically allows you to find different products and to hunt for them. So first you have to select your marketplace you want to use. For me, I'm going to go Amazon.com, but you're free to use any of these. And then you can go either between simple and advanced. So inside simple, you really have to only do 5 things. But if you go advanced, if you're more advanced at this, you can go ahead and set all the different numbers in here, and then after that search via these numbers, which will give you more detailed, more preferred, and more kind of a refined search result. Now we're gonna go with the simple one for this instance, and I'm gonna pick up 3 areas I'm familiar with, because that's the first thing you have to do if you're actually doing product hunting. What you can also do though is you can go and click Surprise Me, which will basically select a random category. So if you don't actually mind the niche, you can click that as well. This is completely up to you. I'm gonna go ahead and select, for example, automotive. I'm gonna do car care over here, and then I'm gonna do, let's say we're just gonna go glass care, interior care, and finishing. Okay, it's very broad, but it's going to work for this tutorial. Here you can see it says what price range are you most comfortable selling at. So sometimes it's going to give you a suggested range. Currently it did not, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do like less than $20. Product size, should your product fit into a shoebox? Yes, I'm gonna do yes. You can do no if it wouldn't, and here are the dimensions. Competition, I'm going to do moderate, that's up to you, and then the monthly revenue I want is, let's do 1K. After that, simply click on search. It's going to search up, but within just a few seconds, you'll be able to see for yourself a bunch of different things inside your niche, or of course, inside a random niche if you pick the Surprise Me button. And in here, you can see the prices, the parent levels, the revenues again, and then you also have kind of the sellers, the brands, last year's sales, etc. So there's a bunch of things you have in here. You can then go ahead and use this for product research, for product hunting, and hopefully you'll find something you can go ahead and sell for yourself as well, or of course something similar to that. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.